building on the street. Can I count on you guys?
Let's build. What's that?
I don't know. Ah! What are you so scared of? It's just Chewy. You got stuck under your car? Ow, we can help.
No.
What?
What if it bites us?
He's not gonna bite us. He's in trouble.
I'm scared.
You're welcome.
That was scary.
No, it wasn't. He needed our help.
Seemed scary.
Thanks for all your help. Yo, another situation. Come quick.
You got it.
Phew, I'm glad you guys are here.
What seems to be the problem, boss?
Can't you see?
Ah! Fire! Fire! Somebody help! A fire!
That's why I called you.
Right. We got this, boss. I don't think I can do it. Fires scare me.
Well, if he won't help, I will. Let's build! All done. Go ahead and pull the lever, Jack.
No way! What if something bad happens?
You have to trust me, Jack. Wow, good as new. And it didn't just help put the fire out, it also rebuilt your house. So cool.
I thought something bad was going to happen.
Why don't you trust me?
I don't know. It's scary not knowing what could happen.
Oh! Hate to break up the communication sesh, dudes, but there has been a report of disturbance behind the barn. Go check it out. We're on it.
I don't know. What if it's bad?
Fine. I'm on it. He never helps. He's always too scared.
I can't believe she left me.
Well, maybe she just wants your help.
I want to help, but I'm just so scared.
So, what scares you?
A lot of things. Getting hurt, my friends getting hurt, baboons, animals in general, macaroni and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
I didn't say it made sense.
You might need to face your fear so you can help out a friend.
But it's scary.
I know, but you know what's bigger than fear?
What?
Friendship. wish Jack was here. Help!
Kaylee!
What is it?
I don't know, but I need to help her.
Take my car.
That's your car? Really?
I got a good deal. Careful, it's fast.
Ow! Kaylee!
You saved me. And then my foot was stuck. And I thought I was being attacked by a monster. Right? It was so dark, it was hard to tell. But then, out of nowhere, comes Jack. He jumped out and saved me. He was so brave.
And we made a new friend.
Not really a monster. Turns out his foot was stuck too.
Which is why he was hurt.
Exactly. I have another mission for you guys.
Let's go. I'm not scared.